Hello students, welcome in our English lecture. Today we are going to learn unit number 8.2, a garden snake. Students, now we are going to learn about that creature. From that you are scared. So the garden snake by Muriel Soni. Of this poem is Muriel Soni. The poet was born on October 31st and passed away on 23rd February 1990. So next we have the theme of the poem. The theme of the poem, Garden Snake, is about the usefulness of snakes. We are all afraid of snakes, but we don't realize that they eat up the insects in the garden and hence serve a purposes. So they are also important in the nature. Now the textbook is ready before you. Before that, I would like to ask you, have you ever seen a snake fighting a mongoose or getting into a hole or swimming in the river? So definitely everybody must have, and definitely we believe that snakes are dangerous, but actually speaking only some are and most are not. So coming to the poem, I saw a snake and ran away. Some snakes are dangerous, they say, but mother says that kind is good and eats up insects for his food. So when he wiggles in the grass, I will stand aside and watch him pass and tell myself there is no mistake. It is just a harmless garden snake. Now we will turn towards the summary. Summary of the poem. The poet saw a snake in his garden and he was very afraid or got terrified, and he ran away because he had heard from the people that some snakes are very dangerous or poisonous. But his mother told him that garden snakes are harmless. They eat up the insects. So she advised the poet to stand aside and make way for the garden snake to pass and not to shiver with fear or take up a stick and beat him. Just make way and let the garden snake pass. There was no need to tremble with fear or run away, as he did nothing like that. Just it is harmless snake. Now we have the video of the poem that we will see. Trying the snake, trying to escape the pursuing stick with sudden curvings of the thin body, long body. How beautiful and graceful are his shapes. He glides through a water away from the stroke. Oh, let him go over the water into the reeds to hide without hurt. Small and green, he is harmless even to children. Along the sand he lay until observed and chased away, and how he vanished in the ripples among the green slims reeds. So now let's find out what is the message of the poem. The poem is about a green colored snake trying to hide himself in the green bushes. The message is that the poet wants to convey through the poem is that not all the snakes are dangerous, but humans that are dangerous to snakes, because snakes only attack when they see danger. From now we will see some interesting facts about the snakes. Snakes are reptiles. There are around 3000 different species of snake in the world. In Australia, we have around 140 species of land. Snakes, like all reptiles, are ectomorphs. They rely on external resources like the sun to give them energy. They will move between basking in the sun and hiding in the shade, keep their bodies at the preferred temperature. Without warmth, snakes do not hibernate but enter in a state of reduced metabolic rate called the brumation during the cooler weather periods. Many snakes stop eating during the winter and conserve the energy by not moving. Snakes are not aggressive, they are shy. Secretive animals, snakes do not bite off of malice, and they certainly do not go looking for enemies. They will defend their lives if when needed. Snakes are mostly solitary animals. They do not live in the family groups. Snakes are not territorial. They do not have home range that they move around in the depending on the seasons. Snakes do not have the bones despite being incredibly flexible. They are known as the vertebrate animals. A snake's backbone or many vibrate bones attached to tracks. So students, here I read some important facts about the snakes. So through the poem you understood the reality of the snakes as well as the important facts of the snakes. So you can write that in your notebooks also. So snakes have the smooth dry skin that is covered in the scales. The scales are made from the keratin, that same substance that is human hair and nails. So on snakes scale are seem sensitive and snakes shed their skin. They do not these have number of times a year, mostly in the warmer weather seasons when they are eating more and growing. So the process known. Snakes do not have good eyesight. They respond to the movement which scares them. I hope students you understood this poem very well. Thank you.